Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some warm and humid conditions across the region this morning, seeing temperatures in the lower 80s as of 8 o'clock this morning. Also seeing those dew points in the mid-70s, so fairly uncomfortable morning across the region. We're going to see temperatures today in the lower 90s, and in combination with the dew points in the lower to mid-70s, we'll see heat indices over 100 degrees today, and we have issued a heat advisory from 11 to 1600 local for this morning in the afternoon hours today. We'll have a very slight chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm, as is the case for most summertime days, with sea breeze boundaries moving onshore, but looking at those chances below 15%, so most likely won't occur today. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have a lee trough just east of the Appalachians, as is typical with a Bermuda high off the coast. That's going to be giving us that weak forcing for a pop-up shower or thunderstorm in combination with those sea breeze boundaries today. Our current observation, we have a few clouds around 7,000 feet, winds out of the southwest, 5 knots, temperature 80 degrees, and relative humidity at 79%. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, we did have some cloud cover around 7,000 feet moving through the area this morning. That's continuing to dissipate, and we're seeing mostly clear skies across the region currently. And taking a look at the FE3 WRF model for the next 48 hours or so today, I'm not really seeing much activity across the region. Just seeing some pop-up showers and thunderstorms more in coverage across the Tidewater region. Could see a pop-up shower or thunderstorm along the beaches today, but overall not a very good chance. Then we move into our Thursday. We're going to see some breezier conditions tomorrow as a cold front approaches from the north and west. We'll also see some very warm and hot conditions tomorrow, with heat indices above 100 degrees expected tomorrow. Once again, we'll see that cold front approaching, giving us some better forcing for some showers and thunderstorms. Some of those storms could be severe tomorrow. We'll have a little bit better wind dynamics across the region and lots of instability across the area with that heat and humidity. So could see some isolated severe storms across the area tomorrow, mainly looking at possibility of some damaging winds with those storms moving through. And this is about 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. That's probably our best chance of seeing those showers and thunderstorms moving through during the late afternoon into the evening hours tomorrow. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll see a high around 92 degrees today. We'll see southwesterly winds 5 to 10 knots this morning, becoming south-southwesterly later on this afternoon into the evening hours, with the sea breeze coming on shore, and slightly breezy at 8 to 13 knots right along the coastline. As we move into the overnight hours, we'll see those southwesterly winds continue around 6 to 11 knots. That's going to allow our low temperatures to not drop very much. Could be seeing temperatures in the upper 70s for overnight lows. Possibility of some locations not getting down to the 70s tonight, could be around 80 degrees. So right now forecasted low of 78 degrees, but wouldn't be surprised if we see some temperatures slightly warmer than that overnight. Our heat index values today will be around 100 degrees for this afternoon, most likely around 100 to 102 degrees for later this morning into the early afternoon hours, and we did go with an orange here for our heat index over 100 degrees. Our 24-hour terminal forecast is going to see VFR conditions in the next 24 hours. We'll see an increase of our cumulus cloud coverage across the region before the sea breeze comes on shore around noon today. And we do have that slight chance, a very slight chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm, mainly between noon and 1600 local today. Tomorrow morning, we'll see a little bit more low-level cloud coverage, a scatter deck at 1,000 feet, 8,000 feet, and some cirrus 25,000 feet. Tides are running normal. I'm looking at Thursday and Friday. Thursday, partly cloudy, hot, humid, and breezy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms by late afternoon, evening. Some of the storms could be strong to severe. And we'll see a heat index between 102 and 170 degrees. We'll see our high around 94 degrees for our Thursday. For Thursday night, chance of a shower or thunderstorm during the evening, then partly cloudy and warm overnight, a low of 75. And for Friday, partly cloudy, hot, and humid with heat index values around 100 degrees. We'll see a high of 93 degrees on Friday. With that front moving south and east of our area on Friday, we'll see a little bit drier air move in the region, and even with the temperatures in the lower 90s, our dew point should be in the 60s for Friday. That'll give us the index around 100, so not quite as hot on Friday and uncomfortable, but still seeing those temperatures in the 90s. Well, that'll complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day today. We're back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.